Hello, my name is Ben and I've been a professional landscaper for over 10 years. Today I want to talk to you about installing landscape fabric for those special landscaping projects like flower beds and hardscape pathways that require extra weed control. There is a new innovative Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric exclusively at the Home Depot that makes these projects much easier to install while supporting healthy plants and soil, all without sacrificing weed control. Now let's get to the how to install Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric exclusively from the Home Depot, from do-it-yourself to professional. When installing the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric in a professional project, the first step is to measure the area. So they've already got it measured out, so the next step is going to be to roll it out and then make the intricate cuts along the edges. So once they've got it cut, then we're going to go ahead and staple this side so it's secure so that we can pull it tight to make a precise cut on the other side. All right, so in an area where we've had to cut it, and you can see there's a turn here, you may have to use a couple different pieces of fabric to cover the whole area. Notice as they are placing the fabric that the overlap lays with the grade in a way that water will drain properly. And just make sure to use plenty of staples in this application. The next step will be to place the stepping stones. And because the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric is 2 times stronger than leading brands, you never have to worry about durability or it withstanding the elements, even these heavy stepping stones. You can use sand or other aggregate to stabilize. So once we finish filling in with gravel, the project will be complete and will remain low maintenance due to the superior weed control of the Vigoro matrix grid landscape fabric, sold exclusively at the Home Depot.